Hello friends, in this video I am going to discuss Cost and Works Accountants Act. Cost and Works Accountants is an act legislated and enacted in 1959 to make provision for the regulation of the profession of cost and works accountants. So in this video I will discuss the Cost and Works Accountants Act 1959 in brief. As defined in Section 9, Chapter 3 of this Act, there shall be a council of the Institute for the management of the affairs of the Institute and for discharging the functions assigned to it by or under this Act. Further, the council shall be composed of not more than 15 persons elected by the members of the Institute from amongst the fellows of the Institute, chosen in such manner and from such regional constituencies as may be specified. Now, the question is, what are the functions of council? Following are the important functions of council: to approve academic courses and their contents, the prescribing of fees for the examination of candidates for enrollment, the prescribing of qualifications for entry in the register, the recognition of foreign qualifications and training for the purposes of enrollment. Next, the prescribing of guidelines for granting or refusal of certificates of practice under this Act, the levy of fees from members, examinees, and other persons, the regulation and maintenance of the status and standard of professional qualifications of members of the Institute, the carrying out by granting financial assistance to persons other than members of the council or in any other manner of research in accountancy, to enable functioning of the director discipline, the board of discipline, the disciplinary committee, and the appellate authority constituted under the provisions of this Act, etc. Now the question is, what are the functions of Institute? Following are the important functions of the Institute: the examination of candidates for enrollment, the regulation of training of students, the maintenance and publication of a register of persons qualified to practice as cost accountants, collection of fees from members, examinees, and other persons. Next, subject to the orders of the appropriate authorities under this Act, the removal of names from the register and the restoration to the register of names which have been removed, the maintenance of a library and publication of books and periodicals relating to accountancy and allied subjects, the conduct of elections to the Council of the Institute, and the granting or refusal of certificates of practice as per guidelines issued by the Council. So, this is all about Cost and Works Accountants Act.